So today in this video lecture we are solving some question of union and intersection as we discussed in earlier classes, right? Union means or, either in A, either in B or in both, while intersection means both in both, that is both in A and set B, right? So we have to find out for given set A, B, C and D, these seven we have to find out. So first A union B. So A union B is very easy to write. First A and this is B. So I am writing first element of A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And B 3 already there, 4 also. Now 5 and 6 remaining. So we can write 5 and 6. So A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second, A union C. Now I am writing first A. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C 5, then 6, then 7 and 8, right? That you know. Now number 3, B union C. Now first of all element of B, that is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now C 5 already there, 6 also. Now remaining 7 and 8. So writing 7 and 8 because each element comes exactly once, right? Then fourth one, B union B. Now B is 3, 4, 5, 6. D Delhi is 7. So 7 is remaining, 8, 9 and 10. So we can write 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? Then fifth one, A union B union C. So first of all we take A union B. So we find out A union B for here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Then taking union with C, that is union C. So we are finding out like this, A union B and then C. So C is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now union of these two is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 already here, 6 here, 7 and 8 are remaining. So this is 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then A union B union D. So 6 1, A union B union B. So first of all we take A union B. So A union B is this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union. Now D is 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 7, 8, 9, 10. So union of these two set is, I am writing first this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. This is your answer. Then seventh one is B union C union D. Now we find out we had already B union C. So similarly like this, we find out first B union C then D. So B union C is this, is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and union D is 7, 8, 9, 10. D is 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you know union of this. First we write this. So first this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 7 is already here, 8 already, 9 and 10 remaining. So we can write 9 and 10. So these all are your answers. What you want to find out, right? So I'm giving you one question. Find out instead of union, intersection of these each sets, right? So for homework, this is your homework. You have to take instead of union, right? So that means replace union by intersection, and you have to solve these all 7 questions, right? In that, in many of these you will get intersection is 5. That's okay, you have to solve. Okay, next question is question number 6, page 18. If A, B, C and D are given, then we have to find out these 10 results, right? So similarly, you know, union means set of all elements, right, of both sets which are in A or in B or in both, and intersection means all common elements of two sets which are in both A and B only. So that is you know the concept of union and intersection. So first question for solution. So solution, first question is A intersection B. Now A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B. B is 7, 9, 11, 13. So common element of these two sets means elements which are in both sets. Is 3 is there? No. 7, 5, no. 7, yes, 7 is there. 9, yes, 9. 11, yes, 11. So what is your answer? 7, 9 and 11, right? So answer is 7, 9 and 11. So this is your first answer. Then second is B intersection C. So second one is B intersection C. Now what is B? B is 7, 9, 11, 13 set. So 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection C. C is the set of element containing 11, 13 and 15. So 11, 13 and 15. So common element. Is 7 there? No. 9, no. 11, yes. 13, yes. So only two elements are common, that are 11 and 13. So answer is 11 and 13. So this is your second answer, right? Third answer is we have to find out A intersection B, A intersection C intersection D. So A intersection C intersection D. For this type of question, if you want to find out first A intersection C, then you can find out A intersection C and then take the intersection with set D. Either you can write directly. So I am going to write directly here. So directly first set A. A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So this is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection C. C is 11, 13, 15. So this is 11, 13, 15 and intersection D. D is 15 and 17. So D is 15 and 17, right? So now you have to find out common elements in all three sets, right? So this has a lesser number of elements. So we will check with this. Is 15 is there? Yes, but 15 is not here. So we can take a 15. Now 17 is here. 17 is not here in set C. So intersection of this is 5. So this is your answer for A intersection C intersection D. Now we have to find out A intersection C in fourth question. So question number 4, A intersection C. Now what is A? A is 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So A is 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Intersection C. Now C is 11, 13, 15. So 11, 13, 15. Now intersection of these two. Now this set has a lesser elements, so we will check with this. Is 11 here? Yes, so 11 is here. 13, no 13. 15, no 15. So answer of this will be only 11. This is your answer, and this type of set is said to be a singleton set, right? That you know. Singleton set means a set which has only one element is called a singleton set. So this is a singleton set, right? Then question number 5. So question number 5 is here, B intersection C. So we have to find out B intersection C. So now what is B? B is the set with elements 7, 9, 11 and 13. So this is 7, 9, 11 and 13. Intersection C. Now C is the set 11, 13 and 15. So this is 11, 13 and 15. So now intersection of these two sets. Intersection of these two sets. Is 11 here? Yes. So 11 is common element. 13 is also common element. 15, no 15 is here. So answer of these two intersection is 11 and 13, right? So this is 11 and 13. So this is your answer. Then question number 6. So in question number 6, what we have to find out? This is 6. A intersection B union C. So we have to find out A intersection B union C. For these two, we have to find out B union C, and then we take intersection of these two sets, right? That is answer of B union C and intersection of A is your answer final, right? So first of all, we find out here B union C. Now B union C, you can write directly here, because in union you have to take all set elements of sets. So first B has 7, 9, 11 and 13 elements, right? And C have 11, but 11 is already there, 13 is also there, only remaining is 15. So we have to write down 15 only, right? Then intersection with A. So your answer will be A intersection B union C. Now what is A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Right? Intersection with this. So intersection with B union C. B union C is here. That is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 set. So set 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now we have to take intersection of these two sets, means we have to find out the common element from these two. So 3, no 3, 5, no 5, 7, yes 7 is there, this is 7, this is 7. Then 9, yes 9 is there, 11, so 11. So only these three elements are common, that is the answer, that is the intersection of set A intersection B union C. So this is 7, 9 and 11. So this is the answer, right? Now question number 7. Question number 7 is we have to find out A intersection D. So A intersection D, that is now A. Set A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection D. D is 15 and 17. Right? Now, this set D has lesser numbers of elements, so we can check with them. Is 15 is here? No. 17 in this set? No. So means there is no common element. Means there is no element, that is null set or empty set, or we can write in symbol phi. Right? So that is your answer. Now question number 8. So question number 8 is this: A intersection B union D. And for this set, what we require first? B union D. So first we find out B union D. So B union D we can write directly as usual. Set B has 7, 9, 11, 13. So 7, 9, 11, 13. This is 7. And D has element 15 and 17. Both are remaining. So 15 and 17. So this is B union D. Now we have to take intersection with A of B union D. So we get this. So A intersection B union D is equal to. Now what is A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And intersection B union D is this. That is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. We have to find out intersection of these two sets, means common elements from these two sets, right? Is 3 there? No. 5? No. 7? Yes. So 7, 9? Yes. 11? Yes. So answer of this will be 7, 9 and 11. Answer of this is 7, 9 and 11. So this is your answer. Then question number 9. Question number 9 is A intersection B. A intersection B. Intersection B union C. Right? This we have to find out. For that, we require A intersection B. So A intersection B is here 7, 9, 11. Right? So we are writing here A intersection B is 7, 9, 11. Either you can find out from these two sets which are the common elements 7, 9, 11. You can write B 7, 11, 9, 11. Now B union C. So B union C is equal to. Now B has 7, 9, 11, 13 as element. So 7, 9, 11, 13. And C has 11. But already 11 is there. 13 is there. But 15 is remaining. So we are writing 15. Right? Now intersection of these two sets, that is our answer. So A intersection B union C is equal to, now common element from this is 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11, right? That is A intersection B. So 7, 9, 11 is your answer. 7, 9, 11. And 7, 9, 11 is your answer is A intersection B itself. So this is your answer. Right? And question number 10. Question number 10 is A union D. So A union D intersection B union C. So we have to find out A union D. That is, first, for this set, we have to find out A union D. Now A has element 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. And D has 15 and 17, both are remaining here. So 15 and 17. And then B union C. B union C. B union C is here. So we can write directly. So this is 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Right? So now question is this. That is to find out the intersection of these two sets. So our question is A union D intersection B union C. So intersection means common element of these two sets. So 3, no 3, 5, no 7, yes 7 is common, 9 is common, 11 and 13, no 13, 15, yes 15, no 17. So answer will be 7, 9, 11 and 15. So this is your final answer, right? So this is the questions for your revision you learn in standard 9 and 10. Okay.